Hello again. We are still in the sunshine state. I have to keep myself off the sun because it is hot today. This is day 4. If you're keeping up with my vlogs and content, today we are at the junkyard. We're gonna be pulling parts for Skarlett. Hopefully we can find a lot of parts for the 2004 or I should say the B6 and B7 platforms for the Audi A4s. We are trying to get some parts. It's gonna be a little bit long today. It's gonna be a little bit hot. We're gonna be pulling parts, some small parts, some big parts, and let's just dig into this treasure trove of junk. All right, so stay tuned. I'll take you on the inside, show you what a junkyard in Florida looks like, and we're gonna go from there. All right, peace. Or not peace. I'm gonna still be here. So yeah. All right, we are on the inside, people. This is my brethren, Sir Kevin. So I'll find some parts and go easy. So they put all the domestic cars up front.
It used to be the other way. They used to put them, and then nobody used to look for the domestic car all the way in the back.
Right.
Then switch it around. So I guess it's supposed to make you buy more parts of the domestic.
Yeah. So now I have to walk all the way down there, so to find.
And most people come here for imports.
Yeah. So I walk all the way down there so for imports. See, all domestic. Chevy, Jeep, all these things I don't like. So yeah, we're gonna be looking for some Audi parts and what a headlight from who?
A taillight for a Honda CRV.
For a
I
Honda.
saw one down here, but hopefully the taillight not gone.
Okay. So that's the plan today. As you can see, the junkyard.
Pull out anyway.
You can see down the
pretty much like 2 screws.
2 screws. You gonna learn today? So yeah, we're getting close to the imports. I see Toyota, Nissan, and Honda.
What we normally do is start instead of on the outside and walk to the middle and walk down the middle.
Okay.
So that we can
visually see down the lines.
Because most of the car you're not gonna be able to identify the front because people
Rip them out, yeah.
So, but they don't really fucking touch the back. So you could probably tell what the kind of car it is from the back. They can just cut through here so and walk down. And that way you have a good vision of
left and right.
Yeah, you can. But now I'm gonna look on the back of the car and you can tell. You know. Well, most people can't tell what kind of car it is from the back, but you start to get used to it. See, that's a Honda Accord. You can tell that's a Honda Accord because the front is gone. The whole front clip is gone. So I normally look left and right down the road. Hard to do it from the Honda second, you can't really see them. There's a Volkswagen.
Yep. Lexus. So oh, that's an older CRV though.
Which one?
Right, just so.
Yeah, that's on hers.
Yeah.
That's the older one.
So if you're trying to save on parts and you just want to get a small thing, because some of these parts on Audi and Volkswagen cost like anywhere from $100 to maybe $400 or $500 depending on the part, and if it's not one of those mechanical parts that wear and tear or anything that's an accessory under the engine, you can actually find a used part. A lot of electronic parts like the siren that I got for Skarlett, I found it at the junkyard. This exact junkyard. So anytime I fly to Florida, I always try to take a stop here so I can get some parts and either ship them back or fly with them back. You can actually take it in your check-on, or sorry, in your check-on or in your carry-on. Check-in or carry-on.
No problem.
So we're gonna be looking for. It's almost like we're playing Waldo. Where is the Honda CR-V? Where is the, you know, the Audi and Volkswagen stuff? So we're just gonna be hunting. So until we find a car. Ooh, is that an Audi? That looks like an Audi. That looks like an Audi, but that's not the Audi I'm looking for.
Yeah, well, Friday afternoon.
So anyhow, when we find the car, we'll get back to you guys.
Alright.
Alright, so we're there in the car. We're going for the switch. So
we're doing this the easy way.
We're doing this the easy way.
Chop the wire them up.
So we released the clip them, but somehow we can't get to release the. Or actually, I don't know how to release this one properly, so we're just cutting wires. I know that we released that wire. Actually, I guess I should have just cut it from this.
Exactly. Let's chop this whole.
Alright, so now we got that out.
No. What you need? This part?
Yeah, that's the part I need. So it's just them couple screws and star screws.
Yeah, I have them there.
Yeah. And then once we get that out, we're gonna go for the motor. Cause right now I think I've switched the switch a couple times and somehow it still has some delay. So we're gonna grab the motor as well. I think the star, it might be, I forgot what size that might be. I don't even know the star sizes, but yeah.
What size that is? Small? Hold on, let's see.
Yeah, kind of small. Oh,
try this and see if that fit.
It look kind of big, but let me try it.
Not big.
Oh, yep, right size.
No,
there we go. Yep. And this is the condition of the car we're in. Look at that. And I'm in it, getting dirty. But you know what? Yeah, coming to the junkyard, you have to expect to get dirty. And I really don't want to put my hand here, but it's what it is. We're clothes that you can dispose of if need to.
Coronavirus everywhere.
This is cleaner than coronavirus right now. So this is a junkyard experience. Ooh. Oh, that hinge is broken. I have to go repair mine. All right, so we're gonna get dirty and get this thing done. All right. All right. Let's go for it.
Oh, you didn't press record. How you record?
No, it's a record.
Okay.
I'm on the red light on.
Well, I can't see it running, so.
Just tap the screen.
Oh.
Go off just to see the power. All right, so we got 1, 2, and I believe 4. No, 1, 2. I'm gonna get to 4. 1, 2, 3. I think there's a 4th one, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Let's just get these 3.
You have been here putting the work.
Yes, youth. Make my money.
All they do the cable.
I should say save my money.
Just use a snipper and cut the cable, because
And
ain't nobody else gonna use it. So I don't even disconnect cables anymore. I just cut. I save a whole lot of time trying to pull that damn clip out.
I don't need those screws.
Yeah, sometimes I might want to say. End up pull out your name, lost a screw.
Yep.
You can't find a screw.
Got it. Alright, I'll load them to you. Wait. Cut up in my head. Oh, you can't pull it out easy, so.
Man, you just chop it back side. Now you.
Wait a minor second. Wait, keep it there.
Right, so. Let's cut that box.
Alright.
That come out a lot easier than
So this is the sunroof motor or moonroof motor in the B7 platform, which is normally the same part they use in the B6. So I can easily well substitute. Alright.
Alright, yeah, come on.
Yeah. Alright, we found our next victim. So another B7. So we're trying to get access to. You have a snipper? What is snipper? Cut that wire. So we're trying to gain access to the brake light stuff and get it done. The screw here. Snipper there. Yeah, I think I rolled down the bracket inside.
Well, that.
So what we're trying to get is the taillight right here. So we need to disassemble the connections and get to it. I got it. So that's how it is. That's how we're doing it right now. It is 9:57 in the morning, and we're just deconstructing the car. All right.
Let's see. I don't think any screw. I don't know if any screws behind.
So, okay. They wouldn't have to release the latch.
Yeah. That's a real look.
So it's a A4 Audi. All right. So once we get that, that'll be one less thing off the list. All right, we just get the haul, get a couple parts. So now we'll head back out, buy up and pay for them things there. Heavy, you know, and then we shove out. Tell them, see how it is on the inside. We've been here.
Florida, L2K Florida to be correct.
All right, we're there for about hour and a half maybe.
Yeah, about an hour and a half.
So now,
and we found most of what we came for, so it wasn't a bad day.
it wasn't a bad day, because it did look bleak when we come in.
Yeah, we couldn't find shit.
So now, alright, what do we think? Later, people.
Yeah, because the man I say, old that's here. Shit, me know me, you see one. Somewhere, isn't it?
Yeah.
Must be from that side there, must be you see one.
Ah, sorry, easy. People are hustling.
the house in here. You can't lift it in there. Your mechanic will pull it off here in here anywhere. Them sit down and just wait for your rest. Everybody from the house.
See, everything? 67.
No, YouTube channel.
Alright, we're good.